if you're struggling with installing FTMO, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install FTMO trading app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so FTMO is one of the best trading platforms that you can use out there for your to trade forex and commodities. However, if you're struggling to get this app because you can't install it, then just follow this guide. Now, in the first method, we need to go ahead and open Google Play Store if you're on Android from your Android smartphone. And then from here, first make sure you are logged in before you try to install FTMO trading app. However, if you are already logged in but you couldn't install, then go ahead and tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings. And here, go to the section network preferences. As you can see, if I tap on this, we have various options such as download preference, auto update app, and auto play videos. We are interested in app download preference. Go ahead and tap on it and choose the first option over any network. So if we choose over any network, this will ensure that you are able to download and install your app over any network that you are connected to. Go ahead and tap on OK to save the changes. At this point now, everything should be okay. Go back, search for your app and install it from Play Store. However, if you're still unable, then it means the problem might be with Google Play Store. For that, you need to go ahead and find Google Play Store app. And once you're on the app, just long press on it to access its app info page. As you can see, I have a shortcut for app info. But for your case, if you can't see this, then you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Play Store app info page. Alternatively, you can also go to the Play Store app info page through settings. Now, from here, we want to clear the app data, and you can see we have an option to do it from here. But if I go to storage, this will give us a breakdown of data stored and used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience each and every time you use Play Store. And the accumulation of these files might cause Play Store to malfunction and therefore leading to you being unable to install apps. To fix this, go to clear data down here and then choose clear cache, then finally OK. And as you can see, cache data and part of user data has been cleared. So from here, you'll need to restart your smartphone and now go to Play Store and now search for FTMO like that. And here we have our FTMO modern prop trading app. Now go ahead and try to install it. And as you can see now, I'm able to install my app. Make sure you have a stable network for you to install this. So that's how you can fix can't install FTMO trading app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.